Hello, my name is John Kaplan with the City of Newport Beach Public Works Department, and I'd like to give folks a brief update on Big Canyon Nature Park. And to orient you, Jamboree Road is over to my left and Newport Bay is over to my right. This is a 60-acre nature park that's owned by the City of Newport Beach. The city has kind of a grand plan, if you will, to restore this nature park. Again, over my left shoulder, a few years ago, we did what we called phase one of the project, and that was a project to improve water quality, plant some native plants, remove some invasive plants, and kind of restore that first section of the nature park. This is phase two, which the city recently completed, and it's what I'd like to mainly update you on today. This was full of invasive trees and Brazilian pepper trees 6 months ago. We cut all those down because they are invasive, and they were also infected by a little beetle called a shot-hole borer, and believe it or not, this little guy does some pretty big damage. So we've removed all the invasive, all of the infected plants, and we've replanted now. You can kind of see over my right shoulder, if you look at the little flags, the city has planted over 10,000 new plants here. Those recently went in, we hydro-seeded, so we did all of the ground cover, and now we're kind of in the plant establishment period. You can see the temporary irrigation, again, over my shoulder. This irrigation will be here for a year and a half, 2 years, depending on how the plants do. And then at some point, we'll be able to remove that, and Mother Nature will do what Mother Nature does. We're quite proud of this project. Phase one of the project was a collaborative effort between the city. We received a grant from Orange County Transportation Authority, which was great, and we thank them very much. That was about a $2.2 million project. It was a very big project. Phase two is big in scope of size. That project was about $1.5 million, and we received a grant from the Coastal Conservancy, and we got support from the Department of Fish and Wildlife. So we want to thank those project partners as well. So the city's about halfway done. We've finished phase one and phase two. We're about $4 million into this effort. We've got phase three and phase four as we'll just move towards the bay. Those projects are in the kind of the planning and design phase, and we're looking to keep moving with the project. We're improving trails around here. The birds and the egrets are back now that we've removed the invasive plants, so we're really quite proud of the project. One last part of the project that I should probably share with you folks is Big Canyon Creek runs through the center of the nature park. This creek has been heavily eroded over the years. It doesn't handle storm flows anymore. It doesn't handle rainwater, rain runoff. So we have kind of realigned the creek, and we've reestablished the creek. These recent rains have worked very well, so the creek's working well. So again, it's a 4-phase multi-year project. Phase one is complete. Phase two is complete. We're about a $4 million effort into this. We're working on permitting, planning, and design for phases 3 and 4. So stay tuned, and we're happy to bring you more updates.